Alright, so here's a little video of what happened with the truck on the one I towed back. My truck, when the wheel bearing went out. So if you listen to this side, it's got a little bit of movement. Still tight, but the bearing is about going out. Let's go to the other side. Okay, here is the passenger side. Take a look at this. This is crazy. This is why it failed. You hear that? Look at that wheel moving around. That whole thing was done. It's not even supposed to move. Up and down. Toast. Glad we stopped when we stopped, man. Jeez. But she got back though. We got her back. The older brother saved the little brother. But we good.